See down in here it's the Seabee, and as I say, always put bigger engines in it. This is a typical Seabee, but I extended the wings on it. I put a bigger engine in it and made many other changes on it. That's a pretty nice airplane.
Now, it's not like the Seabees of the Navy, it's a different kind of Seabee.
No, it's a different Seabee. This was made by Republic Aviation in 1946 and 47. They made the P-47 World War II, the fighter. And that was a civilian. It was made like a battleship all the way through, but the original ones didn't have enough power in them. But that airplane is a real good rough water airplane because it's strong.
And what was its purpose?
Purpose, everybody was going to have one in their house after World War II, but it didn't turn out that way. Yeah.
That was the original idea.
This.